Hey guys, Carl here, hanging out in the winter apartment. It's pretty cool. I got my favorite chair I haven't been able to have for a long time. It's been over at my son's house, so I'm back in my favorite chair. And my wife's got her chairs. So like we can be like Edith and Archie Bunker. And that's pretty funny. Let's get right into Sarasota Tim. I got a thing coming up on Amazon. I've been exploring this Amazon link. I haven't gotten done doing my research, but I don't think Tim's doing Amazon the way you're supposed to. So I'm looking into that. But I have found out that I can't like promote Amazon to give the money to St. Jude. That's against their rules. So I don't know. I'm still looking into that. But we're still gonna do something for St. Jude. I gotta get Vicky my email. Because she's going to help me out with that. That's super cool, Vicky. Thank you very much. I know I'm a little late getting back to you, but you know, it's delivering every day in the dark. I don't know. There's no apologies. I need to get that done. Tim got his oil changed at Walmart. Woo! And then he walked around the store and showed us everything they sell. Super exciting. Not. But the funny thing is, if Walmart doesn't have it, I don't need it. And then yet, he shows us all the shit that he can't get at Walmart. He can't get his gun at Walmart, can't get his ammo at Walmart, can't buy his watches at Walmart. I don't know, you just have to watch his show, but there's tons of shit that he buys. Oh yeah, cologne and shit. Who uses cologne? I don't know, unless you're just like everyday cologne. I don't know, I don't get it. If you do, I guess it's cool, but yeah, I don't do that. But anyway, yeah, if Walmart doesn't have it, he don't need it. But yet, he's got all this shit that he brags about that he can't get at Walmart. I mean, what the fuck, Tim? Really? And I watched Crushing It for Christ. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I do that for you guys. I'm not going to make fun of it because religion's a sacred cow and I'm just not going there. But Tim is just doing Crushing It for Christ for money, and it's obvious. And if you think he's doing Crushing It for Christ because he's really religious, get a video out, get my comment section, defend him. You can't. He's just doing it for money. He may believe it. I'm not saying he doesn't, and I'm not saying religion couldn't help him, but it's not helping him, and he's just doing it for money. And I'm just going to leave it at that because I don't want to get involved in religion. My channel's nothing about that. Other than if you're minimalist, but I don't know if minimalism's a religion, but the less you have, the happier you are. I mean, yeah, I got this chair, but this chair makes me happy. I get to come home and sit in it, and one of these days I'll be able to come home and crack open a cold Modelo and hang out and talk with you guys. It just hasn't happened yet. I just got my chair back. I'm just enjoying it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And I got, Blind Goose told me, he watches YouTube on TV. And I don't think about that because I always watch these things on my little phone. And a lot of the times I just listen to them. I'm not even watching. So I don't even see what's going on. I kind of listen to them like they're a podcast. So I got to think about that. But yeah, but I don't like driving and making videos. And if I can do anything to stop that, I'm going to. Like today, wife had to leave early to work to do a video conference call or something. So I'm like, cool, I'll have time to make a video in my favorite chair. Yeah. So, but if you watch this on TV and I'm doing something that annoys you or something, let me know. Cause I'm not thinking about a TV format. I know in my metrics, I got like 30% of the people that watch me watch it on TV. Oh, that's cool. We had a TV in the camper that just got off air, but we don't really watch it. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I got a TV over there. That's an old TV we got from our son's house because now we have the apartment, and this internet that we got here because our phone internet doesn't work good here. It's going to come with a couple TV channels or something like that. I don't know, she said something like that, but I watch YouTube, but I think I'll try and watch YouTube on that TV to see how that goes. That's enough of that. Yeah, if you're one of Timmy's marks, and then you leave, you're dead to him. He's never going to talk about you again. You know, JJ, Fred and Rafaela, Jolene and Ted, Pittsburgh Chris, Mosquito Dude. You know, you're all dead to him. You know, and the couples, he'll talk about that, but he talks about them in like a reminiscing way or a nostalgia way of like, oh, I wish I had a 30-year relationship and things would be so good. Well, you only want the 30-year relationship because you only value the shit that they do for the other person. You don't value the shit they got to do. You know, it's pretty quid pro quo. I mean, tit for tat. But he only thinks about what the guy's getting out of it. He doesn't think about what the woman's getting out of it. You know, and that's why it's never going to happen for him because he's taker baker. Yep, he's just taking. He ain't giving. Yeah, so you can't, if you want a relationship with him that's two-way, you ain't going to get it. If you want a relationship with him, you're giving, he's taking. That's your relationship. So, JJ, good for you, dude. Big thumbs up for JJ. I don't think you decided, though, buddy. I think your wife put the old foot down, gave you the old ultimatum. I've had that happen to me, you know, and you're like, all right, okay. Time to recalculate. Get those squirrels running in the other direction. Okay, then he went to Dunkin' Donuts 4:30 in the morning. He's like, oh, this place open at 4:30 in the morning. You come in the lobby and you can bug everybody. And one of his donors gave him coffee, so he had to get it from Dunkin' Donuts. I hope he got midnight, because that's Dunkin' Donuts. I like that midnight coffee. And it was just full of cream. The coffee was almost white. Whatever, dude. And, of course, was it the best cup of coffee he ever had in his life? I'm not going to tell you. You'll have to watch it. Of course you know. Come on. And, yeah, and I think Tim is running low on money, cash flow, because he's got payments he's got to make. He's got to make payments on the car. He's got to make payments on the truck. He's probably making payments on the camper. I don't know. Maybe he is, maybe he isn't. And he's got to make payments on that EIDL loan, because if not, he's going right to jail. He's only hoping that if he makes those loan payments, they're not going to come after him. And that's a good idea, Tim. Yeah, if I was your attorney, I'd say that's the one thing you can do where maybe they'll give you a pass. If you're making those payments, maybe, you know, maybe they'll come get you in the future, but you're not going to be on the top of the list of people they gotta get. So if you are making that payment, Tim, kudos, man. Thumbs up. Good way to go, bud. Yeah, that's good. But then the cash flow's tight. So you're only getting much from your begging, and you only get so much from your videos, and you only get so much Social Security. And so cash flow's tight for you, dude. And you can see it. I mean, you know you want to go over and have hookups. You know you don't want to drag your shit across the parking lot. You know you don't want to sit out there in the big wind tunnel. Everything you complain about, but you try to say, oh, this is the shit. This is the way you gotta live. I'm living my life. Oh, my little buddies are coming on Wednesday. Yeah, that should be good. Little buddies are coming on Wednesday. And then, of course, he went to meet the donkeys. Oh, I'd watch this one over. I'd watch it because I love donkeys. Donkeys are my favorite. But he's an asshole. He shows up and, oh, I don't got nothing for you. I don't got no treats, no food. Dude, you drove all the way there to see donkeys, and you didn't bring them no food. You didn't bring them no donkey treats. I'm not sure what donkeys would eat treats, but if I was going out to meet donkeys, I would find out, and I would bring them carrots, whatever. That one lady that fed them, she had something. You could ask her, hey, can I buy some of that and give it to them? But no, you won't, because you're a jerk. You're a dick. You only came out to see the donkeys to make a video to have people watch for you to make money. You didn't give a rat's ass about those donkeys. But those donkeys were cool, man. I loved it. They're not as fun as the donkeys on YouTube. Usually they're doing something funny or personality or biting you and shit like that. I'd love to go see some donkeys. I do get to see some on my route now and then, but donkeys aren't a huge thing here in Illinois. And of course, he's driving while he's filming. Super dangerous. Don't do that, Tim. And then you hear the rumble strips because he can't stay in the lane. Whatever. And oh, I watched Grandma's Pocketbook, which is Olive Oil's other channel. And boy, it was good to hear her voice. I miss Olive Oil. I don't know what's going on with that, if she's getting back or whatever, but that's cool. And she does stuff on spending less, minimalism by choice, or minimalism by child, and it's cool. And if you watch it, she painted this this little square thing. It started out all black, and then she just kept painting it. It was done. It was kind of mesmerizing. Kind of like when Blind Views does it, but Blind Views hasn't done it in a while. But Blind Views, I hope you get back to doing that, because it's cool watching Olive Oil's thing. You could watch that, and then hopefully you'll do some stuff soon, which will be cool. But it's Christmas time. Everybody's busy. But it was good to hear her voice. It's just, her voice is very soothing. You know, it's just like Grandma talking to you, you know, telling you everything's going to be good. Unless you're Tim. And then besides the donkey, Tim's like, yeah, see that jail over there? I went to that jail. I visited that jail. Yeah, Tim, you're going to know what jail's all about. Hopefully soon. And then just a brief one on Nomadic Fanatic. His girlfriend was doing a video, and I watched it, and neither him or her are wearing a seatbelt, and they're driving down the road. Oh, goodness, dudes. Wear seatbelts. I mean, come on. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a little tour of the Winter Apartment. There's Evie Snavy hanging out with me. Hello, guys. How you doing? I love you guys. See, I can have Evie say it. Yep. And then here, we got the hippopotamus. This is my wife's favorite thing. Let's see if I can get it to go. Yeah, she loves that. I got my stuff for thing. My son took our Christmas tree out and put it up in his house, so we don't have a Christmas tree. So wife had to go out and get a Christmas tree, and she's, well, Aaron, in case you watch this, she was a little upset, but she'll get over it because you're enjoying the Christmas tree. She'll get another Christmas tree and get some more ornaments. But our Christmas tree all the way from Cambodia. Yeah, pretty exciting. Got a TV. That's our air conditioner. Woo! Look, it's cold outside. But see, it's kind of like in the woods. I'm really digging this apartment. It's got a pool in the summer. I don't know, $400. There's a lot of things for the extra $400. They're the plants that I try. I don't know. I don't treat them very well, but they still grow. And those guys are from 2005, almost 20 years ago, taking the kids to Disney. There's my chair. It's super comfy. I love it. Wife's chairs, my notes, because I'm a forgetful person. I got my clothes to dress up and go to Amazon. Check this out. I'm going to show you guys this. This is super cool. We'll go out of here. Got a new rug. Just go across the street, and there's a laundry room. Look, Tim, it's a laundry room. Yeah, the dog's going to bark. But see the laundry? You use your phone. You put your phone up against it, and then your phone tells you when the laundry's done and stuff like that. You don't have to use coins or anything. So anyway, got laundry right across the old street there. It's pretty cool. Living room. Not much there. Closet and kitchen. Of course, it's not clean because, you know, we just got here and I'm not into cleaning. There we go. I think that's the best coffee ever. That's the best coffee I've ever liked. And that's the only way I can find it. Emerald Lagasse, big, easy, bold. And then I do like Dunkin' Midnight. Anyway, closet, little shower, little toilet. Check out this toilet, man. You just poop or pee and you hit that button there. See that button there? You hit that button and it's gone forever. You never deal with it again. You don't have to go drag it across the parking lot. You don't have to do anything like that. And you can sit there in the shower and you can take a shower for like 30 minutes to an hour and you'll always have hot water. That's super cool. Super cool. Not like a little 6-minute, submarine shower or whatever. And then, of course, king-size bed. Of course, I didn't make my bed, Tim. I don't do that. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, I just don't get value out of making my bed, so I don't do it. Wife does it every once in a while, but she didn't do it. And then we got clothes. I guess you can see. This is my part of the closet. That's all her part of the closet. Yeah, yeah. So anyway, that's it. It's pretty small. Pretty small. And there's Evie Sneevy. Say hello, Snoobler. Said, idiot, I need to go out and go potty. Yeah. Yeah. So I got to take her out and go potty. We'll upload this video. And I'm going to work on that Amazon one. You guys have a great day. Check it out. It's super cold out here. But look at that. I got pine trees and scrubby trees. And I can go down there and go play in a creek and stuff. That's pretty cool. It's kind of like being at the RV park, except here we got a pool and what do they call that? A big room where you can go hang out and watch big TV with people. I don't know. I might do that. See you later. Have a great one.